The Camco RV Broom, patent pending, telescoping handle, collapsible into the dustpan, super handy and convenient for the RVer or the urban gardener. I'm Damon, this is AgX Presents Garden Product Reviews. This is an essential tool for cleaning up on jobs. I'm not much of an RVer, but I could imagine the usefulness. It has the button, you push the button and then the broom opens up. This is the standard position that I use it in. I believe it can go further for reaching maybe cobwebs or something, but even in the standard position, it's just sort of a whisk broom. It's pretty convenient. So then we'll put it out to the normal position and telescope the handle. So it's actually a full-sized broom in a convenient, very long sections, many sections, broom, Camco RV Broom. So I'll put the product link in the description. This is for the urban gardener that's gardening out of a backpack. This is something I use constantly, every day. Folds up neatly, easily, conveniently, quickly, and into the dustpan. The dustpan's like the hardest thing to find. Like, you can maybe bring a long-handled broom around, but then, I don't know, the dustpan always seems to disappear, but these snap right together. And then in the Jansport Odyssey 39 backpack that we've been looking at, in the computer pouch is where the broom fits right in there. So convenient. So the Camco RV Broom, must have for the urban gardener in the toolkit and equipment bag of the backpack. And this, we're doing the Jansport, has the most pockets that I've found, and so I've been enjoying that. It's also very padded for carrying heavy things. And that's it for this video. I'll see you in the other product videos. We've been reviewing the other tools and necessary items for professional gardening in urban environments, and most of them will work in most places. It's a convenient tool bag to have for any gardener or even at home. So this is Damon with AgX Presents Garden Product Reviews. I will see you again in the next video.